Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. Mind increases strength by continual effort. April 9th. Our minds are controlled by God. A wise man is strong, yea, a man of knowledge increases strength. Proverbs chapter 24, verse 5. Put your highest power into your effort. Call to your aid the most powerful motives. You are learning. Endeavour to go to the bottom of everything you set your hand to. Never aim lower than to become competent in the matters which occupy you. Do not allow yourself to fall into habits of being superficial and neglectful in your duties and studies, for your habits will strengthen and you will become incapable of anything better. The mind naturally learns to be satisfied with that which requires little care and effort, and to be content with something cheap and inferior. There are young men and young women, depths of knowledge which you have never fathomed, and you are satisfied and proud of your superficial attainments. If you knew much more than you do now, you would be convinced that you know very little. God demands of you vigorous and earnest intellectual effort, and with every determined effort, your power will strengthen. Your work will then always be agreeable, because you will know that you are progressing. You can either become accustomed to slow, uncertain, irresolute movements, so much so that the work of your life will not be one half what it could be, or your eyes fixed upon God and your soul strengthened by prayer, and you can overcome a disgraceful slowness and a dislike for work, and train your mind to think rapidly and put forth strong effort at the proper time. God has given the human mind great power to show that the Creator has endowed man with abilities to do great work against the enemy of all righteousness, power to show what victories may be gained in the conflict against evil. To those who fulfill God's purpose for them will be spoken the words, "Well done, good and faithful servant. Thou hast been faithful over few things. I will make thee ruler over many." This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.